Language barriers and suspicion of welfare fraud. People who can't speak English have trouble applying for welfare. People are impatient with the individuals who are unable to clearly communicate what kind of support they need. Often immigrants are disregarded. It doesn't help that the system seems poorly laid out because people have to jump through hoops to find where they need to apply for welfare. There are no translators available at most government agencies, and if they ask, they have to go through many different channels to have one provided for them. Often, by the time they receive a translator, their landed immigrant status runs out. They are unable to stay in Canada. The feeling of being in poverty can cause immigrants to feel oppressed and ashamed about themselves. Immigrant women earn $14,000 less than Canadian-born women per year. Migrated women as well are at high risk for poverty because they work in unregulated or hidden employment. This also makes it difficult for them to apply for welfare under official channels. Poor batching compounds the problem of immigrants getting welfare. If people feel that these immigrants are undeserving or incapable of doing the work, it makes it harder for them to compete for jobs. They are not incompetent, but they are often seen this way. People who poor batch are not the least bit interested in solving problems for these individuals. They are more concerned with making people afraid of the thought of poverty and blaming these individuals for it. Language barriers provide a real problem for immigrants hoping to apply for welfare in Canada. We could all benefit from a more well-rounded and open outlook on people who don't speak English or French.